This video will show you how to find high-quality research articles. We're going to use the library database Journal Citation Reports from the George Mason University Libraries. Start by going to the library homepage, which is libraries.gmu.edu, and from there, databases. And when you go into the databases, you can go to the databases alphabetically, so we're going to Journal Citation Reports. We'll click on J, and you can scroll down until you see it here. Once you're in Journal Citation Reports, click on Browse by Category. And the years come up. We want the latest one, which is 2017. And categories, and this is where you can find management. You could also find business, any of the other business disciplines as well. And ranking, listing by year, they'll show you the number of journals that are ranked. There are 210 that come under management. Once you click on it, you can see the rankings coming up, ranked in order of the total number of citations. And this is what's important to researchers, to have other researchers citing their articles. Once you've identified the highly ranked journals that you would like to search in, we can go back into the journal finder and search within just that individual journal. So, Academy of Management, Annals number 1, let's take a look at it. So back on the library homepage, now you're going to click on the box that says Journals, and this is our journal title that we're going to search. Search. The result comes up. You can see that it says peer-reviewed. Once you click on it, you can either browse through the archives and just read what's in this journal, which is a great way to find out really what kind of content is covered. Or if you're looking for something specific, you can do a search. You can either search by, so we're searching just within this journal. So you can do a keyword search, which is what I always like to do. Or you can also do things by, such as looking for an author. And going through this, you'll get an idea, and look, there's someone we know here writing about dynamics in groups. So these are really great ways to find articles on a topic. Once you've done a very effective Boolean search, can put it together and do this, of course, in any journal or database. But if you want to focus on a particular title, journal title, this is how you do it. I'm Joanne Henson with Mason Libraries. Thank you.